Assalamualaikum. My name is Almaz Zikria and I am a mental health activist at Psyche and Mind Experts. Topic of my presentation: role of health psychologist. First of all, we have to know about our role. What is role? Then we are moving toward the role of health psychologist. Role क्या है कि इंसान का एक्सपेक्टेड बिहेवियर इस सोसाइटी में उसके प्रोफेशन से रिलेटेड, मतलब जो उसका प्रोफेशन है उससे रिलेट करते हुए अपना क्या जॉब्स परफॉर्म कर रहा है, वो उसका रोल होगा. देन द रोल ऑफ हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट. Health psychologists are experts in applying psychological knowledge, research, and interventions to promote and improve health and the healthcare system. They work with patients, caretaker of family, healthy community members, and healthcare professionals in groups with individuals and with organizations. Health psychologists work in a wide range of areas relating to health, illnesses, and healthcare. हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट यूज़ करते हैं अपनी नॉलेज ऑफ साइकोलॉजी और प्रमोट करते हैं हेल्थ को, जनरल वेलबींग के लिए, अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं फिजिकल इलनेसेस को पेशेंट्स के. दे आर स्पेशली ट्रेन टू हेल्प पीपल डील विद द साइकोलॉजिकल एंड इमोशनल आस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ हेल्थ एंड इलनेस एज वेल एज सपोर्टिंग पीपल हु आर क्रॉनिकली इल. जिस तरह से फोरेंसिक साइकोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं, क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट, स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजिस्ट, इसी तरह हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट एक डिपार्टमेंट है. हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट के डिफरेंट रोल्स हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द रोल्स ऑफ हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, प्रमोट हेल्दियर लाइफस्टाइल. हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट प्रमोट हेल्दियर लाइफस्टाइल्स और ट्राई करते हैं डिफरेंट वेज टू इनकरेज पीपल टू इम्प्रूव देयर हेल्थ. जैसे हम एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कि दे मे help people to lose weight or stop smoking. Health psychologists also use their skills to try to improve the healthcare system. For example, they may advise doctors about better ways to communicate with their patients. They improve the effectiveness of healthcare system. Then there is the second role of health psychologists is health promotion and behavioral change. ये प्रमोट करते हैं, हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट प्रमोट करते हैं हेल्थ को बाय अप्लाइंग एविडेंस बेस्ड इंटरवेंशंस फॉर प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन ऑफ इलनेस और डिजीज़. देन द chronic illness management. They help people to deal more effectively with illnesses such as heart diseases, diabetes, and cancer. They help them to deal with normal emotional reactions to illnesses. They can enhance their quality of life. It's the main purpose, main role of health psychologist. Health psychologist also concerned with individuals suffering terminal illness to make their lives better when there is a little hope of recovery. Health psychologists can improve the quality of life by helping them to recover psychological well-being. Health psychologists also concerned with providing therapeutic services for the bereaved. Occupational therapists are heavily involved in the vocational and avocational retraining of the chronically ill and disabled to improve their occupational abilities and skills for daily living. मतलब कि हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट इस बात पर काम करते हैं कि जो दिमाग सोच लेता है कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, ये हेल्थ से रिलेटेड है कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, तो वो काम नहीं होगा क्रॉनिकली इल. और अगर बॉडी कह दे कि मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकता लेकिन माइंड कहे कि नहीं मैं तो ये कर ही सकता हूँ, जो मर्ज़ी हो जाए मैंने ये करना ही करना है, तो ये ईज़िली काम हो जाता है. इस बात पर हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट बहुत काम करते हैं. देन देयर इज़ द अदर रोल प्रिवेंटिंग इलनेस. हेल्थ साइकोलॉजिस्ट प्रमोट हेल्थ थ्रू बिहेवियरल चेंज. दे अटेम्प्ट टू प्रिवेंट इलनेस बाय डिफरेंट मेजर्स. Health psychologists try to help people to lead a healthy life by developing and running programs which can help people to make changes in their lives such as stop smoking, reducing alcohol intake, eating healthy diet, and taking exercise regularly. Research. The other is research. Health psychologists investigate how disease affects individual psychological well-being. Like other branches of psychology, health psychologists have advanced knowledge of research methods. Health psychologists apply this knowledge to conduct research in a variety of areas. Then the other role is coming consultant health psychologist. In this role, they help health professionals and patients how to improve their work style. A consultant health psychologist will take a lead for health psychology within public health, including management, tobacco control, a smoking cessation services, and providing professional leadership in the management of health training. Then the other is training. Training is most important towards life. Health psychologists conduct training programs for fresh graduates of healthy psychology. Trainees may gain experience assessing patients, delivering psychological interventions to change health behavior, and conduct research and supervise their research projects. Stress management is the main role. We can say that stress management is the main. A health psychologist might teach people in a high stress occupation how to manage stress effectively to avoid adverse effect on health. Then there is a teaching. Many of these health psychologists work in university department of psychology where they conduct research and train new students as well. Follow up. The other is follow up. A health psychologist might work with people who are already ill to help them adjust more successfully to their illness or to learn to follow their treatment regimen. The last but not the least, private practice. Some health psychologists practice independently where they work with patients who have health related disorders. So these are the roles of the health psychologist. If any query, any question related to my topic you have in your minds, please tell me in the comment section. I will answer you in a few minutes or on. So Allah Hafiz, take care, see you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.